Good morning.
Notebook. We have to take
Yes.
out a notebook. Okay.
Yes. Please be ready with your notebooks, everyone. Gunav, turn on your camera, please. Gunav and Daksh Patel, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, Renu ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Kevna.
I have a little doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, when we do a simple multiplication sum, like that, but where we have to put the decimal, that I have a doubt in that because
Okay.
I don't know where to put the decimal.
Okay, I'll give you any number. Just check. Okay. We do one practice here. If the number is 3.254 multiplied by 5, one side is decimal and the another
No,
side is
this
there is no decimal.
I'm clear that two numbers after we have to put the decimal.
Yes,
But
yes.
when the two
Both are nice
yes,
side decimal. If you multiply with this 7.5, okay. What you do, you consider this number as 75 and consider this number as 324.
324.
So 324, when you multiply by the 75, whatever is your answer is coming at the last. 2 digit after the decimal, there are 2 digits. So 2 digit you will write here. After the decimal, there is 1 digit. So when your product will come, you put the decimal total after 3 digits.
Okay, ma'am.
2 digits of this and 1 digit of this.
But ma'am, some sums I do na. That is like.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Anushka.
50.24 multiplied by 0.23. The answer is 48. How is that?
Answer is 40.
8.
Can you give me the number?
Yes, ma'am. It is in a worksheet actually. You gave us last
Can
time.
you give me?
Yes, ma'am.
First sum you are talking about?
Not first sum, ma'am. Not first sum.
In first sum, I think there is no decimal, so you need
No
to do it without
There is
decimal. Yes.
There
Yes,
is no
please.
decimal. Yes, ma'am. 73 multiplied by 0.59.
And 73, there is no decimal?
No, ma'am, there is no decimal.
Okay, turn on your camera, please. Children, the students is having some doubts, so we are clearing. Just pay attention here. It is useful for everyone. 73 considered is as 59. Multiply it because here is no decimal and here is decimal. After decimal, there are 2 digits. So write 2 digits. And when your product will come, so you need to count the 2 digits from your right side coming towards the left side. यहाँ पीछे से 2 digit count करके आप decimal लगाओगे. 9 3s खेवना
27.
27. 9 7s 63. Multiplication and division, it is compulsory that you should know the tables. There you are late 2 minutes in the class and I have noticed many students are coming late. No problem. You will lose. Then you will not say me that, ma'am, please repeat. What are you doing? Okay. So 7 9 the 63 plus 2 is
65.
65.
You write 0 right here. 5 3s
5 3s
15. 5 7s
35.
plus 1 36. So 7 0 6 0 6 12 13 4. So it is when you count to it is 43.07 is the answer.
But how can that happen? Because that total number 73.
बेटा 73 59 से ही multiply हो रहा है खाली 0.59 से. It is not the 59 also, right? ये 1 भी नहीं है. This is less than 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it?
Okay. Because I was like 73 से ज़्यादा ही होना चाहिए ना.
No, 73 when it is less than 1 से multiply हो रहा है.
Okay. Doubt cleared.
Ma'am, I have also one doubt.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, 7 point, my own number 7.5
You have understood the multiplication, Lakshya?
Yes, multiplication, but I am counting points. Where is point?
Just now I explained, no? Count
No.
the digits.
No, the board 7.30, 7.3. Sorry. Multiply by 0.90.
So one digit of this and two digits of this. When your product will come after multiplication, Samriddhi, you are late in the class. You have to count three digits from the back and put the decimal.
Yeah, we no point and write the multiplication.
Yeah, remove the point and do the multiplication. 90. When you do it, because either you write 90 up or 73 down, then also the answer will come same. Clear?
But my doubt is where will become point?
One after decimal there is one digit. Here is after decimal there is two digits. So total three digits you have to count from your right side and then the decimal will come in the product. Okay. You multiply it and tell me the answer and then I will tell you where to put the decimal. Clear?
2 minutes I am noting this.
Okay. So students, as you all know that we have completed the multiplication, right? I'm giving you few sums on the board. You have to tell me the direct method of multiplying. Suppose if I write 5.76 multiplied by 10. What is the second method or the direct method of this? Raise your virtual hand and tell me the answer. Yes, Twisha.
Ma'am, we will move one step forward, jump.
So where forward means right side you are going. Learn this right side. So the answer will be 57.6. Okay. Decimal will go from here to here, one digit. Why? Because 10 is having 1 0. So this is the direct method when you can do it and give me the answer. Okay. Now 0.25 multiply by 100. Who will give me the answer? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Daksh Patel.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wait, yes, I will give you chance. Yes, Daksh Patel, can you give me this answer? You have raised your hand. Yes, Migdad.
Ma'am, it will go to right, to the right.
So what will be the answer?
The answer will be 25.00.
Yes. 25.00 can be written as 25 also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
25.00 can be written as 25 also.
25 or
Okay.
25.00 is also right answer.
Raise your hand and tell me the answer for this. Yes, Jahan Agarwal.
Yes,
Jahan Agarwal, please give me.
Ma'am, the answer is... Ma'am, the answer is
105.6. There are two zeros now.
Oh, sorry.
This will go here. The point will go here. So it will be 1005.6. Clear, everyone? This direct method is clear to you?
Yes,
so,
ma'am.
what have you noticed here, students? That when we are multiplying, we are moving the decimal towards the right side. And when we are seeing that we are multiplying by 100, then one digit right side. If we are multiplying by if we are multiplying by 10, then one digit right side.
Yes.
If we are multiplying by 100, then two digits right side. This way we are counting the zeros and moving the decimal. Now we are going
And
to do the
3
division.
digit.
Now we are going to do the division. Same in the division also. Take out your notebooks and write. Write the heading decimals, division, by 10, 100 और 1000 से अगर हम किसी नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं and if it is a decimal number, so write one set. Why I'm giving you one set means exam. Okay, write for example.
Can
One,
I give the answer?
one, no. First, let me explain to everyone. 1.521 divided by 10. Okay. If you are dividing this number by 10, in the multiplication, you are shifting the decimal towards the right side, but in the division, you will shift the decimal towards the left side. अगर आप इसको एक्चुअल डिवीजन करके देखोगे तब भी आंसर सेम आएगा, बट आई एम गिविंग यू द डायरेक्ट मेथड. दिस इज द मेंटल मैथ्स कैलकुलेशंस. नाउ your decimal will not go towards your right side, it will go towards your left side. How many digits left side? 1 0, so 1 digit left side means decimal 1521. But you have learned, mute yourself, but you have learned in the decimal something should be in the whole numbers and something should be in the decimals. Nothing is here in the whole number, put a 0, so this will be your answer. Am I clear till here to everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am. It is the same way only, but when we do multiplication, we add b after 20.
Learn right side and the left side word.
We
If
used
you
to
say
add.
after or before, you will get confused.
We used to write in right side and in division we used to write left side.
Move to left side. Yes, Anushka, any doubt? Any doubt to anyone in this? Yes, Meghdad, please ask.
Now. Yes, ma'am. I'm asking if the number is 1, 2, 5, 6. Right, 1
Okay.
point
1.256.
divided by 100.
I am coming on the 100 situation right now. I am explaining you. Right now, I am explaining you the tens one. I will come and give you the example of the 100 also. Tenth is clear? Okay. But now same sum we will do with the 100. Same sum. This is the one example. Write the second example. Same 1.521 divided by 100. As the Meghdad was asking, ma'am, what we will do in this situation. Because the 100 is having 2 zeros and we have only 1 digit. So children, write this number 1521. Here we write the 0 because we need to make the 2 digits. Mute your mic. Someone mic is on, which is disturbing me.
There.
Decimal was here, right? And we have to shift 2 digits towards the left side. But we have only 1 digit. So we write 0 to make the 2 digit. Then we put the decimal and then we write the 0 in the whole numbers because nothing is there in the whole numbers. Am I clear now? Make that?
Yes, ma'am, but the 10 will be.
My dear, make it clear that when you are learning the decimal numbers, something should be in the whole numbers and something should be in the decimal numbers. If there is
Ma'am,
nothing
we
in
use-
the whole numbers, so we write the 0.
We use both 0 and that 100.
Can you
explain the first
one again? I didn't get it. Renu ma'am. So when we write in this answer, so we write in the left side. Why we add the 0? Why we cannot?
Because we are moving to the left side.
Ma'am, why we cannot add the 0 after decimal? So 2 zeros decimal and then 1521.
This is when you divide it, no actual division. When you do it, you will get in this way, but I am giving you the direct method of this. When you do the actual division of 1521 with the 100, you will get this answer only, students. जब आप इसका एक्चुअल डिवीजन करते हैं, और एक्चुअल डिवीजन हम कैसे करते हैं, विद द अदर नंबर्स वी विल डू, बट विद द 10, 100 and 1000 वी हैव द डायरेक्ट मेथड, सो वी कैन डू इन दिस वे आल्सो. जब आप इसको प्रैक्टिकली करके देखोगे, 1.521, सो व्हेन वी डिवाइड वी इग्नोर द, जैसे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन में इग्नोर करते हैं जीरो, तो डिवीजन में भी हम इग्नोर करते हैं. क्लियर? इग्नोर द जीरो डेसिमल राइट नाउ. Think is that this is 1521 and divided by 100. Okay, 100 ones are 100. 52 will come down. Then this is not going in this, so we bring the 1 here. 5s are 500. Then it is 21. 2s are 200. And then will come 10 and 1s are, now it is this. Your answer was this, right?
Yes.
So this, and then you have to write the decimal here. Move it here in this way. So when you do it,
both zeros, we use both zero, ma'am.
लक्ष्य both zero क्यों use करते हैं? Why are we learning the sum? आप learn क्यों कर रहे हो sum को? Both zero, ये zero क्यों आई? Why this zero has come, Lakshya? Can you tell me? Because you like to speak in the class. You tell me now. Why this zero has come? Tell me, Lakshya.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes, Ekant.
Ma'am, the 0 came because you said no.
Ma'am,
Something should be in the whole also and in the.
हाँ, अगर आप इस नंबर को ऐसे पढ़ोगे, will it look odd? No. ये कितना odd number लगेगा? Yes or no, students?
Reenu ma'am.
Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, I just disconnected for 2 to 3 minutes because my network was gone off. So ma'am, what have we done till now?
We are doing the decimal division by 10, 100 or 1000.
Yes, ma'am, that I know, but you have done with the 1000 or it is left.
I have done with the 100 till now. It is left
Yes,
with
sir,
the
I have
1000.
done it. Okay.
So this is first sum, this is second sum, and the answer is this. Are you all clear till here?
Ma'am,
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
Daksh, please mute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, I was telling that
Rudra, wait.
if we divide this with 1000, so that will be only then.
Abhi मैं 100 की situation clear है. Then we come to the 1000.
Okay, ma'am, because I think I was left for 5 minutes, so I think you had moved to 1000.
No. 10 or 100. Yes, Aryaman, I will speak. Yes, Rudra Jadia. Aryaman, I will explain you again. Rudra, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the second question, there is 1521. So you have write that, and after that you have write a 0.
Now see again. It
Before
is
decimal.
1.521 divided by 100. 100 is having 2 zeros. We need to shift the decimal towards the left side after 2 digits. यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है 2 digit, पर है तो एक ही digit हमारे पास. So we add the 0. Then we put the decimal. And then this is nothing is there in the whole number. We put the 0. Aryaman, now you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, everyone? 10 or 100 is clear. Dandalal, Shika, Ayush, everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to any child with the 10 and 100? अब आप मुझे इसी का ही एग्जाम्पल दोगे with the 1000.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
1.521 same sum है 1000.
Ma'am, can I say?
No, I want the students, those who are having the doubt. No, yes,
Ma'am,
Aryaman.
can Ayush stay?
Aryaman. Lower down your hands, everyone. Everyone, please lower down your hand. Let me take the attendance for a minute. And mute your mic. Someone mic is on.
Ma'am, there are 31 students.
Maybe some are with the 2 IDs.
Ma'am, ma'am, if it's a plain number, means if we say 1, 5, 6, 7, then
वो तो
ma'am,
आपने सीखा ही है लगाना, उसमें तो डेसिमल की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
but ma'am, I just googled it. It is saying that 1526 divided by 100. Then there is a decimal 15.26. It is.
हाँ, then तो normal नहीं जाता. तो you have not learned that number, how to divide the complete number with the that number. जब नहीं जाता, we put the decimal and then we start carry on. You have not learned that numbers, how to divide.
Ayush has learned.
Yes.
Learned in the past classes.
321 divided by 5. 5 6 30. 2. 1 will come down. 5 4 20. And now 1 is left. Nothing is there. So we put the decimal and don't get let the students confused with this. So यहाँ decimal लग के और हम carry on करते जाते हैं.
Yes, my mother taught me yesterday that if the number is left when we are dividing or the decimals are dividing with the decimal also. So when the digit is left, we put the decimal.
Yes. And then keep on dividing till the 0 will not come in the remainder.
Yes, but my mom taught me like that with the decimals. My mom taught me, so she did not put decimal on the digit because the decimal already was in the question. So decimal was already there. So she just added a 0 and divided, then write the digits.
Now this, when we 10 and 100 situation is clear to everyone. Now please, I am going to call your name, Rudra Master. Tell me how we are going to write the answer of this direct method.
Ma'am, we are going to write 0.001521.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yes, please drink. So here was the decimal. We need the 3 places, but we have only 1. We write 2 zeros before the 1 and then decimal. So he is correct. Is correct, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write it in your notebooks. Karna, what are you doing? I don't know. After the class, what you will do, that also I don't know. Because you are not paying attention in the class. Dharya, please come back to your place.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, here only I am writing in this
multiplication.
2 are speaking together. I will not able to listen. One child at a time.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this, in the multiplication, we have to put the zeros that like in the 1000. So 0, 0, 0. We have to put it in the back side and then use the method.
अगर back side में कम है digit तो back side में, क्योंकि we are moving towards the right side. अगर वहां पर हमें 3 digits चाहिए तो हम right side में 0 add करेंगे. यहाँ पर हमारे पास digit left side में कम है तो हम left side में 0 put करेंगे.
So ma'am, can it be that in division we have to put it on the right side?
No, division. In division left side, in multiplication right side.
Got it.
This all the situations are clear.
Renu ma'am, I was writing inside and also you could not see I am writing because my book is here. Yeah.
Now, children, I'm giving you the another sum. Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, if they will give 226.58 multiplied by 1000.
We are doing division right now.
Sorry,
आप क्यों mix कर
divide
रहे
by 1000.
हाँ.
So what will be the answer? I didn't get it.
Decimal. Moving towards right side or the left side?
Left side, ma'am.
Left side. How many digits you have towards the left side?
2, ma'am.
2. But in 1000 there are how many zeros?
3.
So to make the 3 digit, what you will do?
Add 0.
So what will be the answer?
0.02658.
So you only gave me this answer, na? अब आ गया?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in his sum, shouldn't it be 0.026?
No. Now come on the next. 121.8 divided by 10. Do this. Next. 10.851 divided by 100. Third sum. Are you all writing? 12.21 divided by 1000. Please solve it and give me the answer of these 3 questions which I have given you.
Ma'am, I had got the answer for first one.
No, I will ask from Yash Desai. Yash, give me the answer for first one.
Ma'am, 12.80.
12.18. Yes. Karnav, give me the answer for the second one.
Ma'am, 1221.
Second वाला ये है 10.851. This is the third one.
Ma'am, 0.0.
Nishika, can you please sit and attend the class? Yes. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 0.0.
0.0. Okay.
1085.
1085. Is it right, students?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Decimal आपको 2 digits चाहिए because 100 is having 2 zeros. Decimal के बाद 2 digit पीछे
Yes, ma'am.
right left side में जाना है. So यहाँ पे ही decimal आ जाएगा. Then why you have added this 0?
Yes, ma'am.
ये 0 तो नहीं आएगी.
Ma'am, and at the last
So this 0 is wrong.
come.
Anushka, if you talk in between like this, no, I will not ask anything from you.
May I?
So it will be 1085. Now speak, Anushka.
Ma'am, can I see the answer of third one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 0.01
0 point
0
0
1 2
1 2
2 1.
2 1. It should have 3 digits.
Ma'am, can I say?
Wrong. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have the correct answer.
I'm saying
Answer is
second
wrong,
one
can
is
I?
wrong.
Okay, Rudra, Migdat is saying. Migdat, speak.
Ma'am, can I answer? Third
Yes,
one.
Migdat, please answer.
And the answer will be 0.01221.
So what is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
difference between Anushka's answer and Migdat, your answer?
And the difference is that Anushka added a extra 0.
See, whole number में अगर 0 चाहे 2 लगा लो 3 लगा लो, whole number में तो उसकी कोई value नहीं है, whether you put the 2 zeros 3 zeros. So Anushka is also right.
Ma'am, the second answer is wrong.
Second answer is wrong. Why?
Ma'am, you forgot to add 1.
हाँ. Please write. Anushka is also right. Megdad, Rudra Chachadia, she is also right. अगर होल नंबर में कुछ वैल्यू ही नहीं है, चाहे 2 0 लगा लो, चाहे 1 लगा लो, 3 लगा लो, उसकी कुछ वैल्यू ही नहीं है. So this is also right.
So you can put anyone.
आपको ध्यान यहाँ रखना है. Here you need to pay.
Ma'am.
Clear? If everyone will speak together, it will be very difficult for me to answer. Yes, yes, Megdad, ask your doubt.
So does that mean that we can add how many ever zeros we want before the decimal?
Before the decimal, if there is a zero, अगर कोई number है, then you need to be very careful. Yes. But if there is nothing before the decimal,
then it has no value. So I can
no value. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Priya.
Ma'am, in the proper multiplication, I don't get what we do after we get 21. 1.521. After 21, what do we get? I don't know.
Which sum?
Ma'am, before 1.521.
1
divided by 100.
Which question from here?
No, ma'am. From this.
1.521 divided by 100. 100 is having 2 zeros. And here, before the decimal, we have only 1 digit, right? So to make the 2 digits, we add the 0 here, then we shift this decimal here, this side. And nothing is here in the whole number, we write the 0. So the answer will be 0.01521. Got it?
Ma'am, I mean in the other division, proper division way.
Okay, proper division way. You divide this 1.521 को 100 से division करो proper way में, and then you need to shift the decimal. अगर आप proper division way में करोगे, do practice. Otherwise, I'll tell you in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Please ask.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Write it in the chat box. Your voice is not coming clear. Any other child? Any doubt to any child?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, Rahil.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, in second one, there is I'm not understanding how to decimal.
This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It was what it was 10.85 divided by 100. 100 is having how many zeros?
185.
100 is having how many zeros, Rahil?
2.
2. So from this decimal, we need to shift here 2 digit towards the left side.
Yes.
बस यहाँ से यहाँ आ गए तो डेसिमल यहाँ लग गया और होल नंबर में कुछ नहीं है तो 0 लग गया, तो आंसर है 0.10851.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Now my voice is coming.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. I can't understand the first and third one.
First one, this one.
Yeah.
Tell me what you have not understood in this, bacha.
Ma'am, how we will move the decimal?
Means your concept is not clear.
Ma'am, I'm clear with the for example, first one I am clear. But in
so this is also same. Decimal कहाँ है? Here. So which side you have to move the decimal?
Left side.
How many places left side?
One place.
So one place left side कहाँ आएगी?
Okay. 12.8 and 18. And third one?
Where is the decimal?
Two backwards of 2 digits.
And divided by which number?
1000.
1000 having how many zeros?
3 zeros.
So we need to shift how many places towards the left?
3.
But we have how many?
2.
So अब कम है तो किस तरफ ऐड करेंगे जीरो?
लेफ्ट साइड.
तो क्या आंसर होगा? समृद्धि थोड़ा सा मेंटल मैथ्स में फास्ट हो जाओ. एक सम आ गया ना आपको तो आपको उस तरीके के सम सारे आ सकते हैं. समृद्धि, डोंट ट्राई टू लर्न द सम्स. फिर मैं कोई सा भी सम दे दूं, योर कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. यस देयर है.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. If there is 10,000, so one more zero where we will add behind or ahead?
हम किस तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं?
Left side.
तो लेफ्ट साइड ही ऐड होंगी जितनी भी जीरोस ऐड होनी है डेसिमल में.
So it will become whole number or?
नो पहले हमें डेसिमल शिफ्ट करना है. होल नंबर में तो बाद में हमें जीरो लगे. अगर होल नंबर में कोई नंबर हुआ तो देन व्हाट यू विल डू?
Ma'am, I didn't understood. Can you write one sum on that?
If the number is 2.563 divided by 1000, you are saying 10,000, right?
Yeah, 10,000.
4 zeros है इसके अंदर, but here we have 2 only. So how many zeros you have to add towards the left side?
3.
अब डेसिमल आएगा. अब ये होल नंबर में कुछ नहीं है तो जीरो.
Okay, understood, ma'am.
मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड, और जितनी भी जीरोस ऐड होंगी वो लेफ्ट में ही ऐड होंगी.
And behind 2 there will come 5, 6, 3, right?
ये as it is रहेगा. This will be your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Any doubt to any child by division, decimal numbers? Division by
No,
10,
ma'am.
100 and 1000?
No, ma'am.
Come with some extra questions and ask me in the class, and please join the class at 9:20 because we do the revision from 9:20 to 9:30. Please join at 9:20 and ask your doubts and come with the questions. Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I make a question. Can I see the answer?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I make 4.21 divided by 10,000.
4.21 divided by 10,000. Okay.
So the answer is coming 0.000421.
0.000421. Yes. Make your own questions by the division of the 10, 100 and 1000 and discuss with me in the next class. Okay, students? Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye.